Now we're going to look at the second way to measure the central tendency of a data set. The median is the middlemost number of a data set. It's probably the second most common one to be used besides mean. Mean and median are used a lot for analyzing sets of numbers. So let's look at an example. Jennifer uses an app to record how many hours per day she spends using her smartphone. For the first 5 days, she sees that she spent 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, and then 6 hours and 6 hours on her smartphone. Calculate the median daily phone time. So the median daily phone time is going to be the middlemost of those numbers. Now they're already in order. So basically what we can do to find the middle is we can either count them out and go to the middle number, or what I like to do is I like to go, okay, I'm going to cross off the first one and the last one. That's going to narrow me into the middle, and then the second one and the second to last one. And that leaves me there with the median number of 5. So the median is equal to 5, or 5 hours. If there's not a clear middle value, then what we have to do is take the average of the two middles. So in the last example, we had an odd number of data points, so there was a single middle value in those 5 data points. But in this example, we're going to have 6 data points, and so there's going to be 2 numbers in the middle. So we're going to find the median of this set of numbers. The first thing to notice is that they're not in order. So we have to put them in order from smallest to biggest. So you look along the list. Looks like 55 is the smallest number. So I'm going to write 55 first and cross it off so that we remember we're done with it. Next smallest is 61, and then 62, and then 64, 68, and then finally 91. So now my list is in order, and I can start looking for the median. So cross off the smallest and the largest, second smallest, second largest, and there's my 2 middlemost values. So to find the median, I need to get the number that's in the middle of those 2 numbers, or in other words, the average of those 2 numbers. So 62 plus 64 divided by 2, which if I do that, I'm going to get 63. And so that's the median of that set of 6 numbers. What does outliers do to the median value? Well, let's take a look. Removing outliers usually has little or no effect on the median. And we're going to take an example, the one we just looked at. So again, ordering the numbers from smallest to largest, 55, 61, 62, 64, 68, and then 91. Is there an outlier in that data? Yeah, I'd say 91 is much higher than the next highest value. Doesn't seem to fit in there. So if we remove it and now we look for the median, well, cross off those smallest and biggest values, second most smallest and biggest values, and it leaves us with 62. So the median is now 62. So you can see that it changed a little bit, but not very much.